Hello and welcome. This is Sam from Max Alternative. Here we help you get more clients in your business. Today we are looking at solo ads. Did you know that you can be able to get very high conversion when it comes to your products and services when you use solo ads? So, what are solo ads? So, solo ads are email based advertisements where you buy from other email list owners. For instance, here is our website maxalternative.com. I recommend you visit it. So, I have an opt-in page. If a person comes here and they put in their email address, I'll be able to have access to that email address such that I can be able to send consecutive emails to them because they are interested with what Max Alternative does. And so what do we do at Max Alternative? We have tools and services that are related to digital marketing. And so if another person wants to access my email list, I can tell them, hey, I have an email list that is targeted to people who need digital marketing services. Do you have a product or service that you can promote to my list? And if yes, they pay. So, what is the favorite place that you can get solo ads? The favorite place to get solo ads is called Udemy. So, if you come to Udemy, and I'll leave this link at the description because upon signing up, there you will get a very good offer from these guys. And it's also a good way of promoting this channel as well by clicking that link and signing up with it. So what happens here is these are people who are in the solo ads arena. So if for instance the first thing is you want to come and check the niche. Which is your niche? For instance, if you are targeting people in the health niche, you just come here, pick the health niche. If you're in the finance niche, you come here, pick the finance niche. And then you also want to check how many sales the people who have rated this client, what is their sales percentage. Also, you may want to check how many people have come back for this service. For instance, I would want a person who has something like 15% repeat client. And then for the ratings, I'll go for a person who has the highest rating, in this case, 500 plus rating. Remember, the more the person is rated, the more expensive their gig tend to be. So after that, you scan through and you check. For instance, if we come to this person, you wanna click, check out what they have, check out what they are offering, and then check out any information that you might be interested in. So, and if they please you, what you do here, this person has 5,656 positive rating, and 26% are repeat clients, and 67% noted that they got sales. You can imagine the impact. So, and if you come here, you decide on how many clicks that you want. If, for instance, you want 300 clicks, that is how much it will cost you. 100 clicks will cost you 46 bucks. If you want 200 clicks, it will cost you 89 bucks, on and on. And then probably you only say you want only top tier. You can also say you only want mobile traffic. After that, you can now share your link, assuming you have now your affiliate link. You can come here and drop your affiliate link, and this person will be able to promote your affiliate link. If, for instance, you want a scenario where you want to have a certain message sent, you can type in the message here. You tell them the message you want to send, and then you can be able to share that with them, and you send it out. So that is how solo ads work. The best place to get this is from Udemy. I'm going to leave you the link at the description. And if you can be interested or need more information about email marketing and solo ads, always reach out to us. It's bye for now. Thank you and see you on the next one.